Beside every great man is an equally great woman. Each and every day for the past 15 years, the family of Dr. Daniel Ejike Onuogu has stood head and shoulders above countless challenges with love, understanding, and togetherness. Through favorable mention came the unification of two wonderful souls, a good beginning to a satisfying love journey. His wife, Ifeyinwa, has over the years proven to be the perfect spouse, a caring mother, and a true keeper of the Onuogu family. She has an open, warm hand just like her husband that reaches out to help people, industriously supporting the growth of her family emotionally, spiritually, and financially. Dr. Ejike, a great father, friend, helper, and husband. His greatness has been built on the solid foundation of integrity, hard work, and selflessness. Unsurprisingly, this beautiful couple has raised 3 amazing sons that any parents would be proud of. Today, as their vows of marriage are renewed, it would symbolize the continuation of love and peace in a family that has become an example to many. It is therefore befitting that the all-new magnificent house will be the new home of such great people, the Onuogu family.